What's up, peeps? Today we are working on Honky's Iron 883. If you remember this bike, we're actually currently in the ghetto garage, if you could see that.
The one that I wrecked?
This is the crack garage. Yeah, if you remember this guy wrecking, this is his bike. And today, what we are going to do is we're gonna open up this sweet little puppy here. So yeah, just ignore the ghetto garage. This isn't my house. Actually, it is my house, but I don't own it. I rent here. So it's not ready yet. If I owned the place, I would do so much more to it, similar to like a Do It With Dan style garage, but because I rent here, I'm not putting thousands of dollars into it. But we're gonna take off these hunk of junkies and add these brand new baby boys right here.
They're
Ooh,
Shark Rose.
I like that. Yeah. They're called what?
Shark Road. Yeah, Shark Road. Got them off of Amazon.
Shark Road, Amazon. How much did these pipes cost?
I think they were about 160.
160 for both.
Yeah.
So 160 bucks, and we're gonna see.
If the second one was in there.
We're gonna see what it sounds like. It just came with one.
It's just 160.
Second one's here. It's right here.
Yeah.
We're good. We're solid. We're gonna see what $160 slip-ons do for your bike. So first, we're gonna listen to the bike with the stock pipes on it.
If I can find my damn keys.
He just rode here 45 minutes or 75 minutes, whatever he just said.
45.
So 45 minutes, okay. So what we're gonna do is we'll let the bike cool down real quick, even though we just let it cool down just to start it up and show you guys what it sounds like. So now we're gonna let it cool down again, start it back up, and then let it cool down again. No, I'm just kidding.
Wow.
And for 160 bucks, what do you think? You say yeah?
Yeah, dude.
160 bucks is gonna get you these pipes. They're called Shark Road for the Iron 883. Now, do these fit? What model years do they fit? Is it only 2020s or what is it?
If I remember right on Amazon, it fit quite a few years. I think it was like 2011 to 2020. Because like I said, that's the 2020 Iron 883. So I'll tell you, that sounds a hell of a lot better than stock.
So if you have an 883,
I'd look for these pipes.
2011 to 2020, I mean, honestly, they look good, damn good, and they sound even better.
Yeah,
so I mean, 160 bucks, that's what it'll get you. Think about that. It's definitely worth your time and probably your money. I mean, it took us a little bit just due to the fact that, first of all, we had to let the bike cool down. Secondly, neither of us really know what we're doing. This was just
yeah, we're by no means mechanics at all.
Not at all. We're not mechanics. So this was literally just, I have basic set of tools in my garage. So I mean, literally with a set of $15 tools, you can do this yourself. So overall, I would say that's pretty damn good. Looks good, sounds good. I mean, honestly, you got like what, a 45-minute ride back, so it's gonna sound. So you're gonna let me know afterwards how it really sounds, but yeah. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you. He appreciates you. The 883 appreciates you, and see you next time. Peace. Fuck yeah.